Hey guys, welcome back to another cosplay makeup tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the makeup for Zatanna from the DC Comics. There's a ton of different Zatanna references you can work with. This is just one example you can use. So let's go ahead and just jump right on into it. So this is to create kind of a comic book Zatanna. I did start with some red lips. I feel like she really does do the iconic red lip look, so I went ahead with that first. Then it's on to the eye makeup. To start as like a base, I use kind of like a dark matte purple to do the entire base of my lids. And then I grabbed a very pretty sparkly purple eyeshadow to put at the outer corners of my eyes, kind of blending. It's actually the same one I use for Beetlejuice. And the last thing I do to put this look all together is a nice bold eyeliner with, my wings and everything. And that's pretty much it. And that's how I do my comic book version of Zatanna. If you like seeing this makeup look and want to see it with its cosplays, make sure to check the link in the description and make sure to sub to see who I'm cosplaying next and how I do their makeup as well. Okay, bye-bye.